Finally, the Imo State Governor Hope Uzodimma has finally presented the Imo State budget for the year 2025. Hello everyone, welcome back to Eboin People TV. Today, let's take a quick trip to Imo State where some major plans for 2025 are already setting in. So, Governor Hope Uzodimma just yesterday presented the 2025 budget estimate to the honorable members of the Imo State House of Assembly, and this is it. It's got a cool name. He named it Budget of Expanded Economic Opportunities, and the total, a whooping sum of 756 billion naira. And this is so far the second to the biggest amount in the southeastern states of Nigeria. Now let's break it down. He said 112.3 billion naira is for recurrent expenditure, which covers things like salaries and maintenance. That's about 14.9% of the budget. However, moving on to the capital expenditure, 643.29 billion naira, making up 85.1% of the whole deal. What's the plan for all of this money? Well, the focus is pushing toward with ongoing projects and opening up new economic opportunities for the people. So, he said, the governor highlighted key priorities like expanding road networks, completing electricity projects, and boosting sectors like hospitality and agriculture to strengthen food security. Healthcare is also getting a significant boost, with plans to improve access and quality for everyone. This budget builds on the success of the 2024 appropriation bill, so it's all about continuity and progress. Now, it's up to the honorable members of the House to approve it and set things in motion. Fingers crossed for a speedy green light, right? That's the latest from Imo State. Stick around for more updates on Eboin People TV, your go-to channel for all things Southeast Nigeria. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts. Meanwhile, listen to what Governor Hope Uzodimma said in this video.
I'm honored, indeed very, very honored, to stand before you again to fulfill all and an annual issue that makes us a true democracy in Nigeria. The act of laying before the legislative arm of government a draft of the state budget estimate for the next fiscal year is the linchpin of democracy. Now, the total sum for the 2023 budget estimate is 755 billion 588 million 41,220 naira, made up of capital expenditure of 643 billion 386 million 41,220 naira, which represents 85.1% of the total budget estimate. The recurrent expenditure is 112 billion 302 million, representing 14.9% of the total budget. The instructive point here is that this budget will present us with a limitless economic opportunities. But for emphasis, this is attainable through our electrification project, Orachi Energy Free Trade Zone, boosting of tourism, enhanced agricultural investments, and massive revitalization of moribund industries, and of course, a continuation of our road revolution. Accountability is the salt of democracy. If you remove accountability from democracy, it will be tasteless. This is why my administration has always harped on the accountability and the transparency of our administration. To this end, we will continue to do only those things and transform the lives of our people for good. Mr. Speaker, members of the 10th Assembly, I am indeed happy to have presented the 2025 estimates, which has given me the opportunity to interface with you once again. I have never pretended that my administration will solve all Imo people's problems during my tenure. In the same vein, I know that no one budget can provide enough for the numerous needs of the people. What is important is to do as much as we can at a time and do it well enough for them to endure. In all we do, we must remember that the history will remember us of what we did or what we failed to do. Once more, thank you, Mr. Speaker. Thank you, honorable members of the House, for your kind attention as we continue to forge ahead in our duty to make Imo State great. Thank you, and may God bless all of us.